This is the Mountain Man's first time in Fort Scott, Kansas, but I am definitely coming back. Beautiful town, great folks, and for all your Green Mountain Grill needs, it's Heidrick's True Value.
Hi, I'm Denny Heidrick, and I'd like to invite you into our store here in historic Fort Scott, Kansas. Come see our huge selection of Green Mountain Grills with all the accessories. We even have rental equipment that really helps make the project go well. Come visit us here at Heidrick's True Value, 15th and National in Fort Scott, Kansas. We'd love to have you.